That's where zero knowledge proof can play a role, is that instead of just redoing the entire KYC, or you just check a cryptographic proof that the KYC and the AML has been done, so that you can proceed with the cross-border payment. So this is just an example about what has been shared by Dean. How to apply zero knowledge proofs to a specific example, a specific use case on the cross-border payment side.
Okay, this makes sense. Thank you. And Andre, from a regulatory point of view, the regulatory requirements, how does ZKP reconcile with data protection and regulatory requirements?
Basically, there is a two-sworded situation here. From a data protection perspective, ZKPs for sure present an opportunity. Because we have this core principle under the GDPR, which is called data minimization, which basically sets forth to collect as less data as you can for the intended purpose. So as Dean was saying, since we are speaking about mathematical proofs of identity, of minimum age, or so on, we are fully in line. ZKPs are fully in line with this core principle from the GDPR. In the same time, we have a challenge coming a bit from the AML side and going in basically other areas of law, because besides identifying who you are, AML also requires reporting entities, how they are called, to keep proof. And this obligation to store data may vary from one jurisdiction to another. And I can give you an example. For instance, in our local legislation, it says that when you do the KYC, you need to retain documents for a certain period. And those documents cannot be retained in any kind of form or shape. So it cannot be pure data, right, as ZKPs. They need to be documents that are basically admitted in case of a trial, in case of a court date. So now we are moving from the AML side to the particular rules that every country might have on litigations, for instance. And in litigation, as you probably imagine, the framework and the legal framework is very principle-based on standard old principle that makes sense, but not that much on technology. So at this point, I was trying before our talk to, find a solution, but at least from this particular perspective of providing proofs that are admissible in case of litigation, I don't know that ZKPs at this stage at least can meet this standard.
So they will not be adequate. Yes.
Exactly.
So maybe I can add just one. Sorry if I'm not interrupting you. Just to follow the Thomas and Andre following about the ZKP. It's actually that need to mention in this point, the data never leaves the trust domain, and the only ZKP proofs and custody events move through this point. ZKP let us share, as the Andrew mentioned, documents. That means answers, not the data, only the raw data. That is exactly what regulators and operators from any kind of industry have been waiting for. That's something that